Guys, this is Alvin Loricas, digital sales from Hyundai Las Piñas.
Most of the cars right now, ng mga bagong modelo na nilalabas is meron ng gantong feature. A 360-degree camera sa mga Hyundai cars is nagpo-provide yan ng comprehensive bird's eye view sa mga sasakyan nyo and its surroundings. This feature enhance parking, maneuvering in tight spaces like sa mga mall and increasing overall driving safety. So, paano ba ito nag-work? The system uses multiple camera placed around the vehicle. Meron yan sa harapan, sa front grille, meron yan sa both sides ng sasakyan, nakalagay yan sa side mirror, sa ilalim, and meron sa rear, nadyan yan sa may taas ng plate number ng sasakyan. These camera feeds are stitched together by software to provide a seamless top-down view display on the infotainment screen. So, nandyan yan, itong titignan nyo ngayon, nasa infotainment yan. So, automatic syempre, pag meron 360-degree camera, naka-infotainment system ka dapat na ganito. For example na lang kung paano ito nag-use. By the way, itong ginagamit ko ngayon is Hyundai Castin. Nag-work siya when you park or navigating narrow streets like for example sa mga mall. Yung driver can see the entire surroundings in real time minimizing blind spots and preventing potential collision. Bukod sa camera, nag-alarm din to. So, added din yung features na yon na may alarm. Sana guys nakatulong to. Yun lang for now. Have a good day.